my name is Nikki and I'm here with Next Advance. Today I'm going to be doing RNA extraction from cell culture. It's really important to maintain sample integrity, so I'm using the Gold Plus model with 4C cooling. The 4C cooling can be accomplished with either dry ice or liquid nitrogen. I'm going to use liquid nitrogen. There's a cryo chamber here that I'm going to fill up 3/4 of the way to accomplish my cooling. Great, now we're ready to get started. Because I'm using liquid nitrogen, I want to make sure that my cold source matches. So I'm going to go from dry ice to the liquid nitrogen, and then I'm going to pre-cool the bullet blender to ensure that it's the right temperature before I begin. Now that the bullet blender has finished pre-cooling, which I know because the thermometer went from red to blue, I'm ready to get started. I'm using the Precision Pack for RNA extraction, designed for soft tissue samples, which means it comes with our red lysis kit, the RNA extraction kit, and an optimized protocol. I've gone ahead and resuspended my cell pellet in 600 microliters of the RNA extraction buffer and added it to our red lysis kit tubes. I'm going to place my tubes into the bullet blender, and unlike a centrifuge, I don't have to worry about balancing those tubes, so I'm going to be placing mine right up front. For this protocol, I'm going to be using a speed of 8 for 3 minutes. Now that my samples have finished homogenizing, I'm ready to proceed with my extraction. I'm going to pipette out the homogenate into a clean tube and continue with the Precision Pack protocol.